Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your keyboard is not working when you're trying to log into your Windows 10 computer. So this is going to hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first thing we're trying to do is we're trying to sign into our Windows computer here, and the backstory is that we were unable to use our keyboard to actually type in a password. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully work around that. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the bottom right corner of your screen, and you want to direct your attention to the clock icon, where if you hover over it, it should say ease of access. Left click on that one time, and then where it says filter keys, if it's currently in the on position, you want to just toggle it to the off. So just click inside the rectangle one time and just drag it over to the left to turn it off. Once you're done with that, click out of here, click on sign in, and then if you have a password enabled sign in, you should be able to just type it in right now, and that should hopefully be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.